Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be exploring the best umbrella stroller available on the market this year. This list is based on my personal opinion, considering factors like price, quality, durability, and more information about these best umbrella stroller. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. The Summer Infant 3 D-Lite ST Convenient Stroller could be exactly what you need. Weighing only 15 pounds, this lightweight stroller is built with a durable steel frame that feels sturdy while still being incredibly easy to carry, fold, and store. Whether you're heading to the airport, shopping mall, park, or simply running daily errands, its compact fold with auto-lock makes transportation effortless. What parents really love is the large, comfortable seat with multi-position recline, allowing your child to relax, nap, or sit upright comfortably during longer outings. Safety is also covered with a secure 5-point harness designed for children up to 50 pounds. The anti-shock front wheels help create a smoother ride, while lockable rear wheels add stability when parked. On sunny days, the adjustable canopy with flip-out sun visor gives extra protection outdoors. Storage is another major advantage, with an extra-large basket, rear pocket, and cup holder giving you space for essentials without carrying extra bags. For parents who want convenience, comfort, and smart value, this stroller stands out as a reliable, everyday choice. The Kolcraft Cloud Plus Lightweight Umbrella Stroller is a smart option worth considering. At only 13 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry, lift into a car trunk, or take through airports without extra effort, making it ideal for family trips, vacations, and daily errands. One feature parents immediately appreciate is the compact fold that allows the stroller to stand on its own, which makes storage simple whether you're at home or traveling. The all-terrain wheels combined with front suspension help create a smoother ride across sidewalks, malls, parks, and busy travel spots. Comfort is also a strong advantage, thanks to the reclining seat that adjusts for naps and longer outings, while the 5-point safety harness keeps your child secure up to 50 pounds. For sunny days, the extended 3-tier canopy offers impressive UV coverage and includes a peekaboo window so you can check on your little one easily. Storage is another big win, with a spacious basket underneath, plus both parent and child trays with cup holders. For parents wanting comfort, portability, and value, this stroller delivers excellent, everyday practicality. The Mompush Whiz 2-in-1 Baby Stroller is a standout option worth serious attention. From day one, it converts into infant Pramette mode, giving newborns a flat, comfortable space to rest during walks, then easily transitions into a toddler seat as your child grows. One of its biggest advantages is the reversible seat design, allowing you to switch between parent-facing comfort for reassurance and outward-facing mode when your child is ready to explore the world. The smooth ride is another feature parents love, thanks to omnidirectional wheels with advanced suspension that glide easily across sidewalks, shopping areas, and uneven surfaces. The faux leather handle adds a premium touch while improving grip during longer walks. For busy families, the one-hand fold design makes storage and transport much easier, especially when loading into a car or managing travel. The large underseat basket gives you room for diapers, bottles, toys, and daily essentials without needing extra bags. For sunny or unpredictable weather, the UPF 50+ canopy, ventilation panels, foot cover, and rain cover provide year-round protection. If you want style, comfort, and flexibility in one stroller, this model delivers impressive value. The BOB Gear Revolution Flex 3.0 Jogging Stroller is one of the most trusted premium choices available. Built for versatility, this stroller is designed to move smoothly, whether you're walking through the neighborhood, shopping, or jogging on rough outdoor trails. Its air-filled tires and advanced suspension system create an exceptionally smooth ride, helping your child stay comfortable even on uneven surfaces. One feature parents immediately appreciate is the adjustable handlebar, which makes it comfortable for parents of different heights to push without strain. The swivel-locking front wheel gives you easy maneuverability in tight spaces, then locks in place for added stability when jogging or moving off-road. Storage is another major advantage, with 6 pockets including a convenient phone pocket at the handlebar and an extra-large cargo basket underneath for diapers, snacks, and daily essentials. The extra-large UPF 50+ canopy offers excellent sun protection, while the magnetic peek and chat window lets you check on your child quietly without stopping. With its simple two-step fold for transport and travel system compatibility, this stroller delivers durability, comfort, and long-term value for active families. The Ingenuity 3D Lite Convenience Stroller is a practical choice many parents quickly appreciate. Weighing only 14 pounds, its durable aluminum frame makes lifting, carrying, and storing incredibly easy, whether you're loading it into the car, navigating airports, or moving through busy shopping areas. The compact fold with auto-lock keeps everything secure and easy to manage during travel, which is a major advantage for parents who are constantly on the go. Comfort is another strong point, thanks to the large seat area, padded seat back, and 4-position recline that helps your child sit comfortably or rest during longer outings. Safety stays reliable with a 5-point harness and adjustable shoulder straps that adapt as your child grows. The anti-shock front wheels improve maneuverability and help create a smoother ride across sidewalks and everyday surfaces, while lockable rear wheels add stability when stopped. Parents also benefit from thoughtful extras like the integrated snack tray, child cup holder, parent cup holder, rear storage pocket, and easy access basket underneath for essentials. For families needing convenience, comfort, and practical daily use, this stroller offers impressive value in a lightweight design.